Incredible 5 days of Test match cricket, the best format there is. India, I guess, made their own history as never in the past 148 years of Test match cricket has a team lost a match after scoring 5 centuries. England chased 350 runs on the final day. They were clinical, Duckett was brilliant, Crawley was steady, Root was rooting, Shardul has a Lord moment, और समीर तेरे को अगर कहीं जाना है तो जायसवाल तेरे को ड्रॉप कर देगा. तो रिव्यू पे आते हैं. पहले what do you think, like पहले positives cover करते हैं.
Yeah, let's talk
Some of
about
the key
positives.
performances.
Key performances. Rishabh Pant, twin centuries. I think first Indian wicketkeeper to do so. Amazing. He's one of the Test greats already for India.
Surpassed, I think, MS Dhoni already for the centuries. And I guess पहला Indian player जिसने back-to-back innings में century मारी है against England.
Wow.
And overall the second wicket keeper after Andy Flower to score back-to-back centuries. Yeah.
Amazing. And the way he scored those centuries was also amazing. Another key player for me was KL Rahul's performance in both innings. First innings he got 40 odd runs. Second, big 100. Important, impactful innings. उनका partnership KL Rahul और Rishabh Pant का, they almost won us the game. Bumrah, another key performance as usual. He is the bank for India in terms of bowling. 5 in the first innings. Second innings, a bit unlucky, but also amazing bowling performance in the first Test overall by Bumrah. Shubman Gill's first innings 100 was fabulous. First match as a captain, delivered 100 on a big stage in England, overseas. Hats off. And even second innings, he started well. Unfortunately, he got out. But and talking about Jaiswal, who's going to drop me home after the game. Amazing first
Start was
innings.
good, like
first innings 100 was amazing.
But
catches
win matches for sure.
Catches win matches and drop catches drop matches. I guess.
But England पे भी आते हैं, थोड़ा उनकी भी बात करते हैं. I think what we saw from them, is this like, are we seeing like Bazball 3.0 already?
I think जो fresh approach देखने को मिला इंग्लैंड का, I think they took a page out of India's batting performance when India was playing against England back in India. जैसे इंग्लैंड ने calculated risk लिए, batting was not, they were not going all guns blazing. They were not attacking.
Measured approach था थोड़ा.
बहुत ही measured approach था, calculated risk ले रहे थे. Ben Duckett reverse sweep मार रहा था.
जडेजा को तो उसने निकल के reverse sweep मारी, which was like incredible. I haven't seen that sort of reverse sweeping ever. Like इससे पहले मुझे Andy Flower ही याद आता है टेस्ट मैच में.
Kevin Peterson भी याद आता है. Yes. But जैसे Ben Duckett and Crawley's partnership on 5th day, that basically took the game away from India. मतलब वहाँ पे वो जो partnership था, that was kind of the turning point, I would say. And other batsmen were also amazing. Jamie Smith, Ben Stokes, they all chipped in with runs. उनका main strength ये है कि they have a nice entire batting lineup is strong, and they have confidence in their entire batting lineup. They know they have a good big tail that they can bank on. And that shows in their approach and their calculated risk taking. वो बहुत important feature है इंग्लैंड के बैटिंग लाइनअप का और रहा है for decades.
If you see like Jamie, I mean Chris Wokes अगर आ रहा है number 7, number 8 पे, तो and he's contributing so well, like 30-35 runs तो उसी ने, हालांकि wickets उसके नहीं आए इतने, लेकिन जितने बैटिंग में उसने runs बना लिए, that was like crucial.
Exactly. I think that was the difference. जो one more ominous sign is Root coming back to form. That is uh, that is ominous for India
Yeah,
in
like
this series.
so Sameer, what India पे आते हैं अभी? What costed us the game?
Um, uh, of course, drop catches, drop matches. Like I said,
Yeah, I think काफी लोग थे, like not just Jaiswal.
not just yeah. I mean, I don't want to pick on Jaiswal.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I know होता है होता है एक जब कैच छूटता है it plays on your mind, your
The ball
body
follows you.
yeah, and ball follows you.
Yeah.
Body stops moving the way you want it to. थोड़ा confidence lack होता है. Uh, but of course at this stage जहाँ पे इंडिया का स्टैंडर्ड सेट हुआ है अभी you expect those catches to be taken and they should be taken.
Yeah.
That was one big reason why what costed us the game. Apart from that, I would think apart from drop catches, I would say सबसे पहले tail did not wag at all. India top order played amazing. Batting was brilliant, but middle order and lower order batsmen failed to perform. I don't want to take names, but Shardul Thakur, Karun Nair, Ravindra Jadeja. I mean, they are experienced players.
Yeah. No, even like our bowlers, like application. I think मुझे याद है इससे पहले वाले टूर में there were couple of games जहाँ शामी बुमराह की वो पार्टनरशिप देखने मिली थी.
Yeah.
You know, and Siraj is always, you know, Viv Richards, Mr. Viv Richards का DSP हमारा हमेशा टिकता है, लेकिन there were he ran out of partners eventually एक innings में, but वो application जो tailenders का हमें देखने मिलता है कभी कभी इवन इंडिया में, वो इस बार बिल्कुल देखने नहीं मिला. like if you see the stats, like 13 wickets दोनों innings में for just 72 runs, like that right there is the game, I guess.
Yeah, और मतलब जैसे like you said, tail. I remember आगारकर ने सेंचुरी मारा है इंग्लैंड में लॉर्ड्स में.
Yes.
हरभजन सिंह
नेहरा ने छक्का मारा है.
So look at England side. They have been very consistent with their tail performing consistently.
Yeah.
So for India to win overseas, tail को थोड़ा तो whack करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah. And I think like अगर if you see the theme, दोनों innings में एक particular theme निकल के आ रही थी. Huge highs के बाद huge lows follow कर रहे थे. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि like we were really good, बीच में वो हुआ and then end में खत्म अच्छा किया. It was just one collapse after the other. So
exactly. जैसे even though brilliant knock by KL Rahul and Rishabh Pant in the second innings, वहाँ at that point India was in a commanding position.
Yeah.
वहाँ से जो collapse हुआ plus tail ने कुछ perform नहीं किया और even middle order, lower middle order, they were not showing intent. I don't know what they were trying to do. They were trying to save the game.
Yeah. थोड़ा सा confused messaging
था वो approach batting का. तो वो finishing touch नहीं मिला second innings को, which would have added at least, I would have expected them to add at least 50 runs, if not more.
Yeah.
जिस तरह से चल रहा था. Otherwise, I would still take 350 plus any day.
Yeah.
For fifth day, but बहुत अच्छा हो सकता था उसमें.
Yeah, like I mean जहाँ हम थे सेकंड इनिंग्स में, मुझे तो ऐसा लगा कि पहले ही टेस्ट मैच में शुभमन गिल डिक्लेयर करेगा इनिंग्स, which would be huge, like पहले ही टेस्ट मैच में, बट बैटर्स ने मौका ही नहीं, इनफैक्ट पूरे लोअर ऑर्डर ने और टेलेंडर्स ने मौका ही नहीं दिया, उससे पहले ही सब निपट गए.
हाँ, और another big reason was the bowling attack was not well rounded. It was over reliant on Bumrah.
Yeah.
जो फर्स्ट स्पेल बॉलर्स थे बुमराह एंड सिराज, दे वर ब्रिलियंट. दे bowled their hearts out. सिराज was of course unlucky. But जो बाद में आए शार्दुल ठाकुर, प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा, they leaked a lot of runs. So I think in this game we missed the experience of मोहम्मद शमी. उसका जो stump to stump bowling रहता था, accuracy, that was missed. Even Ishant Sharma, Umesh Yadav were very successful. They were very good at keeping the pressure that was created by opening bowlers. So वो aspect भी lacking लगा. Spin ko, I think it was not a very spin friendly condition, but I think Jadeja could have used the rough
A little
a
more.
lot more. I know वो लोग ने रिवर्स स्वीप मार मार के निगेट किया वो स्ट्रैटेजी, बट आई थिंक थोड़ा कंसिस्टेंसी दिखा था तो और अच्छा हो सकता था मे बी, बट या
No,
these were the reasons in the
Yeah, I completely agree on the support cast, point here because 2018 से 2021 के बीच में जो हमें सक्सेस मिली अंडर कोहली स्पेशली, वो जो 60 ओवर्स हेल वाला जो मोमेंट है, वो हेल देने वाला कोई नहीं था एक्सेप्ट बुमराह और मे बी सिराज फॉर द ओपनिंग सेशन. उसके बाद वो प्रेशर आई थिंक निकल गया, काइंड ऑफ स्टीम ऑफ हो गया पूरा, और कंसिस्टेंटली दे वर स्कोरिंग लाइक आई थिंक एक ओवर में एटलीस्ट एक या दो बाउंड्री तो आ ही रही थी, लाइक फॉर अ मेजर पार्ट ऑफ द फाइनल डे. So yeah, we kind of definitely need to focus on our line and lengths, all other bowlers and pitch map थोड़ा better देखना चाहेंगे हम अगले मैच में bowlers का.
Yeah.
So I know it's kind of early, it's like just the match for his test captaincy career, but what do you think of these early signs of Gill's captaincy?
I think he did a very decent job.
Yeah.
We should not be too harsh on Gill. First test as a captain, overseas conditions, over reliant bowling lineup on Bumrah.
Yeah.
So he had to manage a lot of things. He did not have. We should take this into account. He did not have luxury of using two spinners from both ends,
Yeah.
as we have in India.
Mhm.
So, and it is a new team, new environment, first game. I think he showed good leadership skills. But I think overall, not just the captain, but captain, coach, support staff, think tank has a long way to go. But overall, I think Gill as a captain did a decent job.
Yeah.
ये मैच बहुत अच्छा था इंडिया के लिए.
Yeah.
Even though we lost, until the day 5, we were in a very good position.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if we are going in the final hour of the final day, too,
Exactly.
it was close. I mean, it wasn't a one-sided affair by any means.
Yeah, so India can hold their heads high. They did good. They can do a lot better from here on, and I think they are still favorites to even win the series. Who knows?
Yeah, but yeah, like I mean, in terms of adapting quickly, I think वही देखना होगा हमें कि कैसे क्या changes लाते हैं अपने कोचिंग में मिस्टर गंभीर in the next few matches. और तो आगे चलते हैं. What is the road ahead for India for the next match?
Team combination. Let's talk about team combination. Pitch condition in Edgbaston is supposed to be thoda spin friendly.
Mhm.
But it all depends on if Bumrah is playing or not.
Yeah.
I believe Bumrah will miss this match likely.
Load management.
Load management की वजह से it is established fact that he is going to play only 3 games.
Yeah.
And in that case, if it is the game that he could miss, it is this second game.
Yeah.
ताकि वो third game के लिए वापस available हो Lords.
Yeah. Which is at Lords. Yeah.
But yeah, so if Bumrah is playing, I will still pick Arshdeep Singh as another bowler for India.
Yeah.
Sorry, Prasidh Krishna, but a bit harsh.
Yeah.
But I was saying even in first game, it is high time India introduces a big lethal bowling of Arshdeep Singh. He provides that left arm natural variation which will trouble a lot of batsmen, especially right-handed batsmen. And he has done great in England conditions, in county cricket. It is high time India capitalizes on Arshdeep's talent, and I would say give him a long rope, not just for second game.
Yeah.
Play him all the remaining 4 games against England this series. And yeah, and if Bumrah is not playing, तो फिर तो सीधे सीधे अर्शदीप को ले ही लो.
Yeah.
Without anything
Yeah.
thinking about it.
Yeah, Arshdeep comes in regardless for me as well. But yeah, if Bumrah is not playing, would you give like Prasidh another chance, like in his absence, just kind of give him a chance to improve on or make some changes from his last game? Yeah, फिर you introduce Akashdeep, uh, who has done well in like away conditions.
In my opinion, I would give Prasidh Krishna another chance because he did decent. He was not too bad. League runs,
Yeah.
but I think he knows that he can adjust and
Yeah.
he has to adjust. He has talent, skills is right there
Yeah,
to be seen. He also took 5 wickets, by the way.
yeah, yeah.
Same as Bumrah in the first test.
Yeah.
Of course, economical नहीं
Pressure
था.
creating, yeah.
प्रेशर क्रिएटिंग एस्पेक्ट नहीं था बॉलिंग में. Lot to improve and he can improve and he will be a good resource for India's bowling lineup.
Yeah.
So yes, if Bumrah is not playing along with Arshdeep, I will likely want to involve Prasidh Krishna to continue.
तो ये तो बात हो गई पेस अटैक की. अगर ऑब्वियसली अगर पिच की कंडीशंस थोड़े से लाइक इट गोज टुवर्ड्स मीडियम पेस, तो what happens with शार्दुल ठाकुर? Would you like to stick with him or?
जिस तरह से इंडिया ने यूज किया है शार्दुल ठाकुर को, although I am a big supporter of Shardul Thakur, I don't see him playing the second game. जिस तरह से उसने body language दिखाया है, I know he is known for his Lord moments of brilliance, but that is not going to be sustainable if he has test career in his mind. So I don't see Shardul Thakur playing the second game. If India think tank is going in that direction based on the first game. But if it is spin friendly wicket, which it likely is, it would be either Kuldeep Yadav or Washington Sundar in place of Shardul Thakur.
Yeah.
तो क्या लगता है अभिनव?
मेरे हिसाब से आई थिंक कुलदीप यादव होगा मेरे 11 में, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द नेचर ऑफ द बॉलर. आई थिंक लेफ्ट आर्म चाइनामैन by far our best spinner away conditions में. I think he's pretty aggressive, attacking, always goes for wickets. And again, I would like to see him in my playing 11.
On the contrary, I would pick Washington Sundar. I agree. Kuldeep Yadav would be a great resource, especially if England batting is going to be attacking and continuously attacking spinners also, which they will. So in that case, Kuldeep would be super important. But I would still want India's batting to strengthen up, and that's why I'll pick Washington Sundar. क्योंकि Washington Sundar has also improved as a bowler, especially जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया में when Ashwin retired, Washington Sundar did really good. He took the responsibility, and he is the natural progression for Ashwin now, and amazing with the bat. I would rate him as good as Ravindra Jadeja, if not better, in terms of batting. So he adds a lot of depth to the Indian batting lineup, which is in need of a lot of depth.
Yeah.
So I would pick Washington Sundar.
तो ये तो बात होगी टीम कॉम्बिनेशन की. In terms of application, what all would you like to see in terms of India's strategies for the next game?
I would want to see continuous amazing batting from the top order. Jaiswal, Gill, KL Rahul, of course, he has taken that senior batsman role, which is amazing. Rishabh Pant, let him do Rishabh Pant things. And but in terms of application, what needs to improve for the second game is lower order contribution, middle order contribution, and also in terms of fielding needs to improve a lot. थोड़ा in terms of bowling and planning, looking at the pitch map, using the rough. I think that would be important for spinner especially. But yeah. So,
I think like मुझे लगता है कि अगर the biggest plus out of next game would be अगर बुमराह नहीं खेलता है, and if we win that would be a huge boost to our confidence. So मैं चाहता हूँ कि ऐसा they kind of the whole team kind of provides a strategy to play in the absence of Bumrah, जिससे हमें पता लगे कि हम क्या और कर सकते हैं, and it's not always good to have too much reliance on one player.
Yeah.
So that would be the biggest win to kind of win without just with Bumrah in the next game.
Yeah, that would. And when he comes back for the third game, imagine
Yeah,
the confidence India would have
exactly
going into that third game.
1-1. Yeah.
Yeah.
So who before we end this video, like we would let's kind of take our players to watch out for on
For the second game, players to watch for me in terms of bowling is Arshdeep Singh. He will be doing his test debut for India. Lanky left armer.
hopefully. Yeah.
Yeah, I wish he gets a lot of wickets and fills that supporting bowler role for India, at least for now. And in terms of batting, I would like to see Karun Nair come good
Yep.
in the second game. He showed his talent in the second innings, thoda, but I think he can improve a lot more, and he has now established himself in the English conditions already. So second game is big runs for Karun Nair.
Yeah. For me, player to watch out for would be in bowling. I have my bets for Kuldeep Yadav. I think उसने लास्ट गेम अगेंस्ट इंग्लैंड जब जो इंडिया आई थी धर्मशाला में काफ़ी ट्रबल किया था इंग्लैंड के बैट्समैन को. सो आई वुड लाइक टू कंटिन्यू सीइंग दैट, especially with his like left arm attacking bowling. And then for batting, I would really hope and like Sai Sudarshan to kind of get some runs. We saw some glimpses just like Karun Nair in the previous game, but I would really love to see some runs coming from his bat.
So yeah, that was our preview. So stay tuned. We will be back for Spicy Wicket quick take for each day of the second test match. Cheers.
Cheers.